Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp voice messages not playing. So to fix that, there is some simple solutions that we can do. First of all, we should look if there is an update for the app. Go to WhatsApp. And as you can see, for example, here I have an update. You must do all the needed updates because sometimes if the app that you are using is outdated, some options will not work for you, like the voice messages and things like that. The second thing that you should do is to go to WhatsApp and go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen and go and click on storage and data and go to audio and be sure that it's on Wi-Fi and cellular to be sure that WhatsApp will download the audio or the voice messages when you are connected to Wi-Fi or when you are using your mobile data. And after that, also you have to restart your phone. It may be a solution also by restarting your phone, leave it closed for 1 minute or 2 minutes and open it again. And if all those options are not working, you have to delete the app and install it again. And of course, before that, you have to do the backup to not lose your messages. And to delete it, you have to long press on it. After that, click remove app. And after that, install it again, and I'm sure that one of those solutions will work well for you and you can listen again to your voice messages. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.